Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. Today, find out how the price of IOTA has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, RSI, divergence and MACD show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the IOTA hourly time frame, the price moved only slightly to the downside with around 1.3% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 23.2 cents. Next, looking at the simple moving average, or short SMA, it is calculated by summing up the close prices for a certain amount of candles and then dividing it by the number of the candles. We use usually the last 20, 50, 100 and 200 candles to calculate the different SMAs. The SMA lines could be used to determine if a trend is currently to the downside or upside. The SMA lines could also show support and resistance levels, and breaking one of them could signal trend to the corresponding direction. When we now look at the current hourly simple moving averages, the price broke the 50 SMA to the downside. It's a strong signal that there has been a higher than average volume. The current price is between the 20 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 23.1 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 23.3 cents could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Important to note is that the price is currently below the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong resistance. However, breaking it decisively to the upside will signal a potential big move up. Jumping to the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 50, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Searching for divergence in the hourly time frame, the price has already gone up owing to the last bullish divergence. Jumping to the hourly MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. Looking at the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is strong at the moment, and we can expect the price to continue growing or maybe at least remaining the same for some time. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 20 SMA downwards, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. At the moment, the price is between the 100 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 100 SMA, which is currently at 23.1 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 23.3 cents could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Moving to the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 45, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Looking at the 3-hourly MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong, and it could be expected the price to go further to the upside. Jumping to the daily simple moving averages, the price broke the 200 SMA to the downside, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. At the moment, the price is between the 100 and the 200 SMA. If the price bounces off the 100 SMA, which is currently at 22.0 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 200 SMA that is at 24.7 cents could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Jumping to the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 62, so it doesn't show signs of overbought or oversold conditions at this point. Jumping to the daily MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. But according to the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is going down. Owing to this, we can expect the price to remain stable, and you should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be a downward trend. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.